Ejuma ya yeninti. Ye bedun kunim. Munyina mokai. Se omampenyi dada Mahama. Obetna kuniano so. Anchebia no ka se namni nyina asa na aka dompe. Samokai. Dompe ninti na chalk mpo school na eniho. Dompe ninti yeda dum somo efie 9. Niema bebre seye. Dompe ninti teacher training allowance. Okemu. Dompe ninti nursing training allowance. Okemu. Dompe ninti national ambulance service. Eguye. Dompe ninti national health insurance. Eguye. Na niema bebre seye. Elinti na yetu aba 2016. Ena ye yi no free abaimu. Ene osi opesa osamba bium. Mupesa osamba bium. Mupesa osamba bium. Mupesa osamba bium. Diebe ena odiba. Diebe ena odiba. Mibisano misi. Omampenyi dada Mahama. Chirayen adie ba kupe a odi aye odi abagana edi mfaso abre enyina ba kupe o ba ku wentimi andiso ba kupe o eye dum so ana eye confirm ana eye nkokon kiti na odi bre wa gana. Choway. Osoria. Osi. Onuwaye ejuma esinyen. Ena meka nkyere ne se. Uji uhudi se waye ejuma asinyen. Bra na yenye debate 1-on-1. Mano a mano. Bra na yenye debate. Na obia ehu. Bra. Choway. Meka nkyere ne se ombra na yenye debate no. We journey to say nkukon kiti. We journey. Omba. We journey. Omba. Choboy. Anapay. Yasi. Ochro. On Facebook mo say MPP is a failed government. Let me say. It may be on TRC. Until economy no asie, he either does not read the data or he does not understand the data. Choboy, until asie, enti me pese ononani ngrofo a omo wano hono omunti emi kakra anumrei. Say minchire mu kakra ma omo so that they will get an understanding. They should go and check the data. And yes, sir, Mamin Kanchran said, when it comes to the economy, overall GDP growth during your government is lower than ours. We have performed better than you. Choboy, when it comes to the economy, in the terms of agricultural growth, we have performed better than you. In terms of industry growth, we have performed better than you. In terms of the GDP of the economy we have, the budget deficit to GDP, we have performed better than you. The primary balance, we have performed better than you. The trade balance, we have performed better than you. The current account balance, we have performed better than you. Gross international reserves, we have performed better than you. And let me tell you, Choboy, let me tell you, I want to speak maybe kakra about the exchange rate. Me paso mutie because omunti asye. When it comes to the exchange rate, you measure performance by the rate of depreciation. And yes, sir, the rate of depreciation. Enti ushe onomre noswa, the NDC period of 8 years. The cedi depreciated by 74% without a crisis. 8 years, No crisis, no global crisis, no COVID pandemic, no Russia-Ukraine war, no global economic recession. 8 years, 74%. Under the MPP, as at today, after 8 years in office, with a global economic crisis, with COVID pandemic, we have depreciated the city by 72%, which is lower than their depreciation. Choboy. So, if they say that we have mismanaged the city, but then they mismanaged it worse than we have, without a crisis. Choboy. Ejuma jobs. We have created more jobs than him. 2.3 million jobs. He was creating unemployment. He wasn't creating jobs. Choboy, we have built more roads than him. We have built more airports than him. We have built more railway than him. We have built more interchanges than him. We have built more hospitals than him. We have built more schools than him. We have built more astroturfs than him. We have built more sports facilities than him. We have built more sanitation facilities than him. We have built more courts than him. We have built more public libraries than him. We have built more fish landing sites than him. We have built more, we have brought more drones into the economy. We have done more school feeding than him, more airports than him. We have restored teacher training allowances, restored nursing training allowances. We have brought free TVET. We have brought free senior high school education. Choboy. We have brought the Ghana card, which he couldn't issue. We have brought a digital address system for Ghana. We have brought mobile money interoperability, brought e-pharmacy, brought paperless ports, brought e-health into Ghana. Choboy. So, by all account, we share data now on terms of the economy, from top to bottom. We have performed better than him. He should go and check the data and understand the data. Not just read it, he should understand it before he comes out to speak on the economy. We have performed better than him in all ways. Choboy. Okay, sir, we are a failed government. Maybe I can say we have failed to do 4 years of doom song. We have failed to cancel teacher training allowance. We have failed to cancel nursing training allowance. We have failed in the policy of no chalk in schools. We have failed in the 3-month pay policy for teachers. We have failed in the Sada Guinea fowl projects. Choboy. We have failed in collapsing the NHIS. He collapsed it. He collapsed the ambulance service. We have resuscitated it. And he had green book projects for development. We don't have that. And if there is any failure, it is his, which is the failed government. He should come and debate me one-on-one. Come and debate me one-on-one. And we will see who has succeeded and who has failed. He should come. Choboy. Nkala Kashi. Kashegbe, come and debate me. Don't run away. We will get into the data. Choboy.